Hi there, this is Chris Alagar. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm in the front of my house. Yes, waiting for sundown. Yo bro, kamusta kalusugan natin dyan? Tingnan mo sa labas. Sundown na po. It's going sundown. Tomorrow is another day for rock and roll. Yo mga tao, mga daan sa karsada. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell. Like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.